Just seen something land up there, so I'm sure it's buzzard. Hello everybody, it's Mick from Chester Bushcraft. It's day 7. We've had a full week of lockdown and I'm out for my daily routine exercise. I've come out into the other woodland today where I placed the camera last night, and I want to place the camera in a completely different location today, see if we've got any better results. I want to start varying it now instead of just trying to chase the fox all the time. I'm just going to see if I can just capture what I can. Owls, birds of prey, anything. Squirrels, I'll take anything at the moment just to get something on camera. But yeah, I've come out late again today, so just going to enjoy the walk, and if I spot anything of interest I'll let you know. Right, catch you in a bit. So this is the spot where I put the camera last night, on that tree there. If I spin it round, you can see that it's looking out over there, and just here is a path that a lot of people use. Now what I've learnt in putting the camera there, although I didn't get the images I was after, if I was stood in the target area now and I was to walk past the camera and it triggers, the view angle is a lot less, so it would trigger the camera and then just film nothing because I've already gone past the camera. But because it's looking right over there, then you'll see that it triggers here and then starts to film, and it filmed the guy walking his dog right the way across. So I have actually learnt something there, that your target wants to be a lot further away from the camera than you think. So lesson learned. I'll use that for when I place the camera in future. So my task for this evening is to find a new location for the camera again, but rather than trying to capture things like foxes or cats, I'm going to maybe try for, I don't know, an owl or something like that. So I'm going to place the camera in a completely different location using a completely different technique. So we'll have a look around these woods and see if we can find somewhere suitable. Now I have seen buzzards in this wood before, and I've also heard owls because this woodland is right at the back of my apartment. You'll see behind me. So I definitely know there's owls in here, so you never know, I might be able to catch one of them on camera. We will see. In fact, just seen something land up there, so I'm sure it's buzzard. Where is it? It might have just been a kestrel. Can't find it now. Sure, it's there, right in the centre of shot, just sat on that branch. Can't quite zoom in any further. Is that moving? I guarantee as soon as I pause the camera it'll move. Incidentally, yes, as soon as I turned the camera off it did take flight and went further down the woods. See, this looks like a really good spot. This is some really nice places for the birds to land. So I might try and put the camera around here somewhere. Maybe on that tree there. But which tree do I go for? Do I aim it towards that one or towards this one? That's the gamble. Okay, so that's where I've put it. You see it there? It's hopefully looking out over there. We will see. It's starting to go dusk, so hopefully that strap won't be too obvious if anyone does walk past. It's not too bad. I'll have to do. I'll see if it's there in the morning. This is the path that people will walk past on. Oh well, we'll see. This could be another good spot. I might try another day. That's quite good. You can see behind me, there's no sunset tonight. It's very dull tonight. And it's very cool again. I should put my gloves on really, but it means I can't mess around with things on the screen. So I don't bother, just grin and bear it. All for your enjoyment. But yeah, you can see behind, not much of a sunset tonight. I can't get them every night. I've been lucky with what I've had in the last few nights. Had some beautiful sunsets. Yeah, keep those questions coming. There's one or two coming in now, so I'll, like I say, I'll wait till I get a few more in, and then I'll answer them on a future lockdown video. Which one it'll be, I don't know. I've been using this gimbal for about 4 or 5 days now. It's a Freevision Vilta-M, and now I've got my head around it and how to use it properly, or more or less, probably 80% of its actual usage, things you can do with it. I'm really impressed with it. Like I say, probably on the 4th, 5th day I've been using it now, and it's still got 73% left battery life, which is great. It lasts for ages. And that, you know, the little gyros that are keeping the camera steady, they'll be working all the time, and all the zooming in and out and panning left and right. I do quite a bit with it, so yeah, the battery life's excellent. Like I say, it's really good to use, and I think it has improved the videos, the actual smoothness of the video, and you can either be totally in control, or you can have it on what it's on now, where it's just point of view mode, where whichever way I point it, it just pivots like that. I'll do it up or down. Yeah, that's the mode I've got it in now. So it's yeah, it's really good. Or I can just change the mode, and I can have this little joystick just on by my thumb. I can just change. In fact, let's do that now. Let's just change mode to follow mode. We're in follow mode now, so I can just use the joystick to pan it left and right, up, down. And there is actually a mode where I can select on the screen, and it picks my face up, and which, if I had the camera just sat on the ground or on a table, wherever I walked, the camera actually follows you. It's quite spooky actually when it does it. It's like Big Brother is watching you. So that can be quite useful. I do use that quite a lot when I'm just doing this kind of thing. You can see I'm wandering off there a bit. With that, it keeps you more or less central to shot. So that's good. I'm losing the light a bit now. As I'm walking along, I can just hear the owl. No, you can't. Yeah. There it goes again. Can you hear it? Yeah, I'm losing the light now. So, again, another short video, but hold there, it's stupid. Learned a bit more about the wildlife camera, which is good really. I'm quite, even though I'm not getting the shots that I'm really after, I'm actually learning a lot about the camera and best places to put it, and you know, your target areas have got to be further away than you think, all that kind of stuff. And it's just trial and error really. It's just trial and error really. But eventually we'll get the shots. It's just making sure we're in the right area. And of course, there's nothing more embarrassing than talking away to your phone, to yourself, and as you look up, there's somebody walking right up to you. So I did look a bit of a Burke then. Oh, whatever. So yeah, where was I? Yeah, so just a short one today. Again, really, they're all short ones. It's just me getting out and keeping myself occupied, really. So we've had a walk, we've got out, we've learnt a bit more about the camera. So as far as I'm concerned, that's all good. I've learnt something new. So hope you enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just up there, and of course you can use the one down here. Don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching. We're losing the light now. See you on the next one.